All right, guys, welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Learn FOREX with Ease. This is Samande, and in today's video, I'll walk you through what we call market review. This is where we come into the market to determine what we gave out last week to do a market, what we call market recap, more or less a backtesting like that. Because last week we gave out some tweets, and most of you guys made money with it. So we want to look into some of those tweets that they played out, or those other played out and done them, and those that we didn't take. So if there's any, we want to look into them so as to we evaluate our accuracies, and of course we energize ourselves for the next week. These are the things that will help you to scale up if you really want to be good in forest. Anytime you win, do not always be joyful or just run with your wins. Come back, look at that win so that you can solidify it when else you see such setup. How do I win this race? Oh, then you master it. Come back whenever you lose. How do I lose? What happened to me? How do I lose? Oh, I didn't say this. Oh, I didn't take this of this one. Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I was too in a hurry. Oh, it was FOMO. Oh, um it was stop loss. Oh, it was good. Oh, it was this. Those things, those small things, those minor things, those minute, those little things will definitely help you in the long run if you want to still stay consistency and you want to stay profitable in this field. So that are the things we'll be doing today. I want to urge you to stay to this video and watch it to the end so you can get an insight into this video and learn a lot as a forex beginner. Good. Now, I gave us a trade on GBPJPY last week. And of course, market was around here. You can see this was last week. That was June 7th. You can see under this also here. See, you can see the black stuff here. That was June 7th. Market was here. I told us that we look a buy at this point. After we make a buy, we opted out successfully. NFP came back and did a mongol sell about 180 to 200 pips, somewhere 150 pips above. So and then the sell came autumn after NFP came out in the noon. GMP plus one Nigeria time. It sold all throughout the day. Then I gave us an eight. That's what one thing you should always note about news trading. News trading is sweet and smooth. If you are just new to forex trading, this is the eight, and this tip you should know. Once you see humongous moves of NFP or any trades that change the direction of the market, either to buy or to short or to long, always pay attention to the otherwise trading because it's going to what correct itself. So since we see a humongous short, we know that what market will correct itself and buy. If it was to be a humongous buy, market will correct itself and sell. At that moment, you should always capitalize on that. How to trade news effortlessly without analyzing or doing any much stress. This will definitely help you and you scale through. I tell my students, and most of them use this strategy a lot and they make money for themselves. Now, see, we position ourselves for buy at this price junction here because I know that what market definitely are long, market definitely go too long. And it came back, I was still holding. We came back, I think we already buy. I think we started buying the sun and it came back to about 50 pieces below. I was still holding because I knew that was what we call liquidity gap. Some big boys came to take away all our stop losses here, and of course all others that were here so that they're going to take it out. I was still holding confidently. I was because I knew I wasn't taking much risk because I knew that what the confirmation has not really started. But I was slowly holding, though it was tough. I was still holding and the market started moving, pam, 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 pam. Then we made about 250 pips just for holding on that thing. And then just for the idea that I had that what whenever market news comes out, either do and otherwise, either in short or in long, market must what correct itself. That is it before anything else. It has to what the correction might be small, might be long. That depends on your technical analysis or your TA on how skillful you are and how dexterity you are in this game. Me, for a while now, I have been doing this, and of course, my skill is not on a shallow level. So I know when to come out, I know when to enter. Am I talking? So that is why we're able to make about 2 to 220 pips on this alone. So I gave it out last week and we did about 200, that's about 250 pips on GDPJPY alone and everybody make money before we started shorting here right now. So that was how we're going to make money. That was on just GDP. I don't know, I gave us a trade also on GU as well. Last week on GU, market was here as well. We opted this one in 1 year. The market will test it with them. Boom. This one gave us about 90 pips and not up to 200, 90, 100, 90 to 80 pips about this one. And started selling back. This one didn't go too far. We also milk it. That was 220. We killed it. Another one we gave out last week was CSFJPY. This one we opted out in small profit. It was here, we were getting around here, we opted out in small profit and then move. This one was just about 50 pips or 40 pips. We opted out small profit because it wasn't moving. Because the way it was already doing, I wasn't comfortable. After you came here, you come here again. This move, you should not stop here. Immediately you came here back, you should stop here. And you came and you couldn't move above this. Yeah, I mean what short the sellers are coming to the market. You have to opt it out in small profit on this one. We also killed it trade. We also killed it. Market was here. I told them to be buying as well. EURJPY as well. We gave a buy as well. We gave a buy. The market was here. We gave a buy. We entered around this point. We gave a buy as well. Market bought. That's third, fourth trade. So we definitely last week trade were perfectly 99%. Likewise on our Telegram as well, we had about 17, 20 trades and 18, 19 trades actually. We killed 17 of them. Just two trades is running right now. Those ones are not materialized. Those ones are still running right now, but all of this played out perfectly well. We threw out 19 trades. 17 of them played out perfectly well. Just two that is running, and those two are running in small loss, not a huge one, just a small drawdown. And we believe it should definitely run into profit when we close. So that was it, guys. So I want to emphasize on that again that if you are not on our Telegram group or any of our group, please, we have a family where we throw out educations, we throw out insights, market insights, trainings, where we guide you, we support you, we do everything possible for you. You can join us on that Telegram. If you ask for the link, you can comment on this video, we'll send you the link, or you can look around this video and get the link and join us so you can always learn and can always stay ahead of the market at all times. I'm not talking to somebody. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe as well if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. So this one also played out and gave us about 150 to 140 pips before it started selling. That was so virtually all of them played out according to our analysis. So this week we had 99% accuracy. None and everything we took, everything played out perfectly and awesomely well. So that was the trade we gave out last week again. Yeah, that was it. That was just everything we gave out last week and everything played out so fine and so good. So thank you for I hope you learned something from this video. Yeah, that is our level of our accuracy. You can see some of you. So if you haven't, I want you to join us and let's do this together. The sky is too big for everybody to fly. Why not join us on our Telegram group so we can always do this and get free signals every blessed day. Thank you for joining me once again, and I wish you a profitable and a blessed week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.